Another great tip is to get yourself a calendar, and when you exercise on a particular day, give yourself a check mark. A visible reminder of an accomplishment like this can be a great incentive to continue exercising in the future. Because if you plan to exercise, say for example on Thursday, May 10th, and you don't, you're going to be a little bit disappointed if that box is not ticked. So putting ticks or a check mark, for example, on a calendar can be very helpful for continuing to exercise. I actually got this tip, I believe, from the comedian Jerry Seinfeld. He used to set himself goals for particular days, and on his calendar he would check off the day. And then after a while, you don't want to see any box without a check mark or something like that. So as you can see on this calendar, I have 2 check marks so far. I like to use check marks because they're a positive symbol, and I've always liked the Nike swoosh symbol since I was a kid. But you can see I've got 2 check marks in a row, and right now I've set myself a 30-day challenge. So I hope I'll have all 30 days with check marks in them in a row. And another great thing which you can do with calendars is, at the top you can have a picture of something that gives you extra motivation to work out. You can put some pictures of people that you really admire, or put some famous quotes that you really like. And just seeing those pictures or reading those quotes can give you extra motivation when you find your will is a little bit lacking one day.